Today marks the deadline for the 2 million federal employees facing a buyout. ABC News has learned at least 40,000 people have taken the offer so far. Those who've not yet accepted can either take that buyout or risk being fired. It comes as President Donald Trump says the U.S. should return to religion. ABC's Perry Russum is in Washington.
President Trump today calling for a return to religion in the U.S., saying it will help overcome political divisions.
It unifies people. It brings people together. Democrats are going to be able to have lunch again and dinner with Republicans.
Trump speaking at 2 prayer breakfasts in Washington this morning, later saying he will sign an executive order today, creating a task force, combating what he calls anti-Christian bias.
This task force will be to immediately halt all forms of anti-Christian targeting and discrimination within the federal government.
Meanwhile, today is deadline day for the 2 million federal workers facing buyouts. The offer is to quit now and get paid through September or risk being fired. Intelligence workers across multiple agencies are among those getting buyout offers. To comply with a review of the federal workforce, the CIA emailing a list of new employees to the White House over a non-classified system. The list includes the first names and last initials of employees hired in the last 2 years.
We go to great length to protect the cover for CIA officers, and if all of that can be destroyed by a reckless, malicious sending of an email, that blows our cover and makes us much more vulnerable.
On Capitol Hill, Democrats sounding the alarm on Elon Musk and his massive reach into the federal government.
If we don't fight back, Elon Musk will take dollars away from our public schools, away from our health care, away from Social Security, away from our own safety systems, and use those dollars to line his own pockets.
The White House says Musk is working hand in hand with President Trump.
The two of them, with a great team around them, were going to look at the receipts of this federal government and ensure it's accountable to American taxpayers.
Back to the buyouts, 3 unions representing more than 800,000 federal workers filed a lawsuit to block the buyouts. A federal judge is hearing that case today in Massachusetts. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.